you for joining today. We need to decide our final seminar topic, and there's two options for this seminar topic, which is the mental health awareness or AI and digital skills. Let's share our opinions respectfully so we can reach out a good decision. So, who would like to start?
If I may share my thoughts, I actually support the AI topic. I understand that mental health is important. Perhaps AI is more relevant for students preparing for a future career. I might be wrong, but I think it could be more beneficial in the long term.
Yeah, that's a good point. And I do believe that AI is a trending topic. However, many students have been struggling emotionally lately, and maybe focus on mental health is urgent right now.
I strongly disagree. I don't think mental health should be our priority for this seminar. The world is changing fast, and students need technological skills to stay competitive. Ignoring AI will be a serious mistake.
Sorry to jump in, but what if we combine both of them? Maybe we can make a seminar about digital culture and AI in mental health. But that way, we cover both of them.
Okay, I see that there's disagree about the AI and also someone disagree about the mental, but I think the combine both with the mental and also the AI is a good idea. So yes, thank you so much everyone to sharing our opinions about it, and all of your points are valuable. Since combining both are really good, how do you guys agree with this?
Agree.
Okay, thank you so much.